On today's body cam, we're checking out she gave police a fake name, then everything fell apart.
What began as a simple speeding stop soon revealed something officers never anticipated.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, do you have your license on you? The reason I'm stopping is you're going 77 on the loop and it was 55 through there.
Yeah, but I went to 60 when I seen. I went to 60 when I seen it, and there was literally cars all in front of me going
You were the fastest
my
car.
speed. I wasn't.
Okay, you got your license on you?
No, I don't. I was just dropping her off.
Of course you don't got your license.
Joy Anna.
Is that one word?
J-O-I.
J-O-I? I'm sorry, J-O-I?
O-N-N-A.
Okay, and your last name, ma'am?
It's
Okay, and your date of birth? So when you saw me, you did slow down, but I'd already got you coming down the hill, okay? The minivan behind you was going 68, and you were going 77, okay? So give me 1 second.
All right. Something ain't right.
Do you have a middle name? I can't find you in the...
calculated. Well, it's for Indiana.
Oh, your driver's license at
Yeah.
Indiana? Okay, and it's a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. 10-4. Alright, so J-O-I-O-N-N-A.
Yeah, J-O-I-O-N-N-A.
Common spelling.
Yeah, 7.
Okay, the reason I'm asking is because we just ran that name out of all states and it's not coming back.
Oh, well, I don't know. I never got this. Is my first time getting pulled over.
Okay, we also ran out of Indiana and there was no return out of Indiana for a driver's license.
Yeah, my driver's license is valid.
Okay. So the issue is you... Huh?
I said, I don't know why you're saying that.
I'm not sure either. Okay. So we can't get out of here until I figure out who you are, okay? So it needs to get a return on it. So you have no form of ID on you, nothing with your name on it at all.
I don't have that because it's not in my car, so I don't have that. I don't know.
The officer knows she's full of crap. Okay? The officer already knows that she's full of it. And then the first thing was this, right? When the officer first came up, he said, hey, you was going 77 and a 55. You're the fastest one. And guess what her rebuttal was? You seen it. You know. Oh, I was going 60 when I passed you. That's still not 55. That's still 5 over. Now, are officers going to stop you for 5 over? No. But they could. That's a bad rebuttal. You don't have your ID. You're giving names. Listen, this officer may have been born at night, but not last night. Let's get into it.
Who owns the vehicle?
My big brother, Jeffrey.
Is he home right now? Would he be able to find your license and send me a picture of it? Or send you a picture of it? I'm trying to figure out how we can do this the fastest way.
Lock her up.
Man,
That's the fastest
what's
way.
her name?
Cherokee.
Okay.
Cherokee.
And you're her friend?
I'm their older sister.
Okay. So I just talked to the registered owner.
Listen, the only Cherokee I know is never mind, man. If you know, you know.
And he said you're just a friend. Right.
I'm her older sister.
Okay. So we're just waiting on that. Nothing yet. He said he couldn't find the license. Nothing yet on your end.
I don't know. Hey, do it under Joy. Leave out the rest of the name.
Just J-O-I. I already tried that as well.
I don't know what it is.
I got you. Like I think you and I are in the same boat. All right. I don't know what to do either because I can't just let you drive off without knowing if you have a valid license or not. don't think you're lying to me.
Yeah,
I
don't know
don't.
what to say about what you saying, whatever it's not. I don't really get you about mine.
Okay. And you said out of Indiana. Could it be out of any other state?
No.
Just Indiana?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I lived in other states, but it wouldn't be.
Do you know your social?
Not by heart.
Okay. Real quick.
As a grown adult, you don't know your social?
You can use your phone if you want. Not working. Wonderful. My gas is able. It's not working. My bad, bro. You're good, bro. All right, guys. We have a couple more options.
Fingerprint scanner is not working.
Well, unfortunately for you, we take speed serious instead of Georgia on this. Here, come here real quick. We'll take a picture of your face, okay? I got one other officer coming. We're going to try one more thing. If not, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to try to find you through your face recognition through our system. If I find you, then I'll call you and let you know what's going on. If not, and I find out that it's a different name, then you're gonna have a warrant signed, okay? I'm just saying. I'm just giving you the scenarios, okay? I'm not saying you're lying to me. But what I am saying is that
I can go to court. You're gonna write me a ticket or something, but
well, that's the
this
issue.
caused us a lot. Like now, she literally had to call work. That's gonna cause her not to afford. Like this is kind of causing us a whole bunch.
Okay.
But they can't even afford to like miss work.
What's a good?
Then maybe you shouldn't have been speeding. This is causing you a whole lot of issues. Well, maybe you shouldn't have been speeding. 77 and a 55. 22 miles? Really? Sounds like your fault.
Over for you.
3-1. Oh, hold on.
Oh, you almost gave the right number.
3489.
How long have you had that number? Have you had it pretty long or no? Okay. Just waiting for the other officer. Oh, that's an Athens number?
Yeah, so. I'm not good at remembering numbers. I've just done it all life.
Okay, look it up.
Is it coming through?
So I'm not quite understanding the issue. Like, what's...
It's not like I was doing.
The issue is-
before I got to him, I did 60. Before I got to him. Look the number
he just
up.
called
Look
you.
it
I
up.
just called you.
It's not. I gave you my phone number. It's my number. It's my number.
You have your own name. But anyway,
She's just not coming back. She's giving me an Indiana name, date of birth. She's not coming back out of any state.
He just said my name's not running up.
what's her last name she gave you?
Phillips.
And then the one you pulled up was Joy
Phillips.
Phillips, right? Somebody's got a fingerprint scanner. You want
He's
that?
got one, but he can't log into it.
And that's what I got out for.
Okay. The issue is, I just watched you pull up a contact to the calendar.
That's not my. That's for you for my number, and that's what I gave you my number.
What's that phone number?
This is my other phone. There's no. This is not ring.
Just take a picture.
There's no
Yeah,
number,
go
and you
around.
cannot.
Dale, you're a liar.
I'm making sure I see. This is.
I'm not calling.
Y'all locking me up 'cause my
No,
name's
I'm not calling. I got it. I'm not calling you a liar.
So let me explain this.
But what I am saying is that there's some things that we got.
I know because I'm a straight
Change.
criminal running
Yeah,
around
you got
here
change?
on warrants. It's never this serious. There's nothing on my name. Even that name y'all put up. What's criminal? Anything y'all put up, period, for you are it's going to be this deep. On anything you pull up.
Well, right now you're an unlicensed driver.
Started. I told you that. I told you that earlier. I told you that earlier.
Yeah.
If you don't switch your address within 30 days in the state of Georgia, you're considered unlicensed. Yeah.
Please do not go through my stuff.
Well, you're under arrest.
That's an ID.
Why didn't you just give me this?
But I didn't know this was in my package. Literally, you see me standing here.
I'm just making it clear you're under arrest. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. It never fails with some of these people, man. Never fails. Never fails. You have your information. You know your information. And then as soon as a grown adult says, I don't know my social, that's how you know they're lying. That's how you know they're lying. Listen, I'm telling you, after around, I would say anywhere from 17 to 19, you should have your thing memorized by then. At the latest 20, you know. But after that, you know your stuff, and she looks well over 20, man.
You have no reason to arrest me.
Let's go take a seat in the back of my vehicle.
Hey, fam, he was bagged. Andy.
Come on.
Get my phone to her.
We'll grab it. Come on.
Jeez.
Let's go around the back. Okay. We didn't have to do that. Why didn't you just give me your driver's license? Why didn't you just give me your driver's license?
If it was that deep, you should just roll a ticket. Why are you arresting me?
That's the way it works in the state of Georgia. Unfortunately
No,
for you.
this is not how it works.
Take a seat.
This is not how it works in the state of Georgia.
Okay.
Can y'all, now she
Take a
got
seat.
this, she's literally.
Put your leg in.
She was charged with obstructing identification and possessing a fake ID.
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We out.